So, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Pitch.Next event 2022 here at the Formnext on the AM4U stage. And I'm super excited to hand over now to Arno and Frank, who will hand over the awards to the winners. Let me ask for the first winner here on stage, which is Alpha Powders, please. Big applause.
Alles im Gleichen.
You will get the 3D printed award from Voxeljet and, of course, 1,000 euros from HZD Group. And afterwards, we're taking some additional pictures in front of this wall, but great. Thank you so much.
Oh,
big applause.
Don't spend it all in one go.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Here's your award.
Thank you very much.
Awesome work. Next startup to be awarded is Lettuce Medical. Big applause. Fantastic presentation.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done.
Big check. Congratulations. Thank you. Very good.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Here's your award. Well deserved.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Congratulations.
Awesome. And our third winner of this year's Startup Challenge is Photosynthetic BV. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Gratulation. Congratulations.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Gratulation.
Thank you very much.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Anno, by the way, do we have the award? Is there AIM in Adventures Impact Award?
No, it's part of the... Who's getting it?
The first
Rivelin.
one. Let us,
Yeah.
we get them back, okay? So, next one is Rivelin Robotics. There he is. Congrats. Great work.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. This will pay for a lot of apple wine.
Big check. Be careful with it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Congratulations. And last but not least, last winner of the Startup Challenge, Sphere Cube. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Well done. Well deserved.
Well done. Good. Congratulations.
Here you go.
And then, as I just mentioned, or already mentioned, let's at least get them once back to stage and give a big round of applause for the winner for the AM Ventures Impact Award. Once again, Lettuce Medical. We could not cherish you enough. This is awesome.
Congratulations.
This is so highly appreciated. Thank you for that. Great work.
Thank you.
So let's have a group picture over there. And from my side, thank you very much for being our guest. Stay tuned. We are now doing the
So
afterwork
you know that
session.
you know about the Impact Award,
No,
right?
we're not
Were
doing
you
the
informed
afterwork.
already?
What are we doing now? Andrea, tell me. Okay, there is some program to come, and we are going to take pictures over there. So thank you from my side. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the program here at the AM4U. Thank you. Dann gehen wir hier ab.